Hello everyone, it's boy Pydanny21 again, and today I'm going to show you how to make this particular sheet in Excel. It contains images and headers and your data, everything is secured here. So I'm going to show you how to work with all this, the design, formula, calculation and everything. I'm going to show you. So without much ado, let's get right in it. So let's go to, I think I have an empty sheet. So there's an empty sheet and I'm going to make sure there's no data on this sheet. So let me see, I think I did one video here. Okay, so I'm going to use this sheet for it. So let's say data is. So the first thing we do is that the first is going to be our header. So the header I merged up to four rows. So just going to increase it from here to here, and then you go to your when you go to the home tab, you check this place, you see merge center. So you click on the merge center and that's good for you. Now what you are going to do here is that we are going to put a picture at this place. Okay, so let's go to insert and choose pictures, and let's go look for the logo for Norma Farms. Okay, so this is the logo for Norma Farms. So I'm just going to size it to fit. Okay. Yeah. So I think this is good. My header is looking small, but I'm just going to manage it like that. And then you can see that the first row is green. So I'm just going to click on the A at the top here, and then I come to color fill and I'll choose the green. That'll be fine. And then the next one was my headers. So I'm just going to increase the size of my header here, and then I'm going to increase each of them column. So let's see. Okay, so the first column was number. So just say no. The second one was, I think, let me just see. Second one was date. So just say date here. Next one, product. Next one, quantity. Next one, unit price. Next one, amount. Next one, customer's name. The next one is going to be the telephone, then just say +233 to recognize Ghana's code. Okay, so now let's make it bold. Highlight everything, make it bold, and then let me make it capital letters. So let me see, I have capitalized it. I think my version of Excel is not having capitalized. So okay, let me see. Turn this orientation. Okay, so I'm not getting capitalized, so I'm just going to leave it small letters like this. Yeah, should be here. So it's normally a bigger A and a smaller A, but it's not here. So I'm just going to leave it like this, and then let's make this gone to green, and it's going to be white. Okay, so that's nice. And then let's go to our data. So now we start with our data. So let me just fill information first. So this place we are going to add 1 here, 2 here, and then just going to make this like this. Let's continue. 23 is okay. And the date too, we are just going to make it date format. So just add January here, like for a long date, because that one was a long date. So let's highlight everything. Duplicate, like duplicating. So the date we can say maybe today's date is what, 06/29/2024. Okay, I don't know. So I think it should be like this. 29/06/2024. Okay. Yeah. So now we have a long date. You can see here. We have a long date to here. And then the product was a drop down. So from the previous video, I taught how to make a drop down. So we are just going to add our references here. And then we are just going to look at the product. So tasty zombie. So let me just increase this one side. Now say products. Product. Okay. Then let's add the product here. Tasty zombie. Later. Tasty zombie. 2L. Tasty zombie. 4L. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to leave it to only 3 products. So let's go back to our database, and then from the product, this section here, let me just highlight everything from here, and then I'll go to data and look for data validation, and then I'll select a list here, and then the source, I'll come to my references, and then I'll select this ones here, come back, and then just hit my OK. So now you can see that now we have our tasty zombie. Then we click a drop down, tasty zombie is there, tasty zombie is there. Okay, so now the quantity is also going to be a number, or let me say an integer. So let me just choose a number here, number. So everything is going to be a number. I did selected everything. Okay, so from here we are accepting numbers, so it's fine. The unit price, let me see. Yes, it's also a number. Just see. Okay, so unit price, then the amount is going to be the unit price times the quantity. So this place will accept a number. So let me just choose one product here, and then 1 liter, the quantity 3, the unit price, each of them is I'm not doing that, just use general for all of them. Okay, so let me just put my 3 here, and so the unit price is 35, and then what we are going to do is that we are going to add a formula to calculate for the amount. Okay, so the amount is going to be, so we start anytime we write a formula like say we start with an equal to sign. So we are going to say the amount is going to be our quantity times our unit price. So that's going to be our amount. So when you hit enter, it gives you your amount. So we are going to fill these places or this formula. So this one is fine. So we are just going to drag the formula down, and so anytime we update this database, then we update it, you see that the amount will change. Okay, so we are just going to try. So this one is going to be a name, so let me say Mr. Ahmed. Ahmed, I think it's like this. And now it's like this. Ahmed. Okay, then we put a telephone number here. Let me just type in number here. Okay, so this is how to make this design. You see, it's really nice. The picture and the design, colors, everything is nice. So let's add one more data and then we are done. So just going to drag this date here, double click on it. Okay, it's already 30th. So then let me choose one product, 4 liter. The quantity I'll choose 25, and then the unit price, the 4 liter is I think 120, and then you hit enter. Your total amount is calculated for you. Put the customer's name, Fred, and then give it the number. So you put the number here. So this is pretty nice. So when you take a look, you can see we've done all that. Yeah, so nice. Nice. Okay, the amount, we just have to add some color to the amount so that to prompt users that there's a formula there, so no one should touch it. So I think it was something like this. Wasn't selected. Don't select. Okay, then choose a color for it. This one was nice. So now this color prompt uses that there's a particular formula here, so just don't touch this part. It will automatically do the calculation for you. So that's pretty nice, very nice. Let me see. So this is this, and then let me see if I can add a few of this. Okay, so let's add filters to sales value. Okay, so now we have our filters here. Let's select all. Okay, so now we've added filters 2 to 8 and everything is looking nice. So thank you guys for taking time with me and studying how to make this beautiful. And I'm willing to bring you a lot of videos in programming and Excel and everything IT. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you like it and leave your comment in the comment section. I want to know what your mind is and any difficulty you are facing, and I would like to help you. Thank you for watching my video, and see you next time. Bye.